I actually might want to use this in an upcoming training. Okay, so one of the ways we figure out what's important to us is by making choices. And each card here has something you might either want, or not care about. Okay? So by sorting through these and putting them into specific piles, you're going to start to think about and figure out what are the things that I want most, what are the things I do not want, and what are the things I don't really care about. Yay. So I'm going to do these with a couple cards to show you how this works, and then I'm going to let you guys do it on your own. Now there are many different steps to this, and so I only want you to do the steps that I tell you to do. Okay? And remember, the goal at the end of this is to be able to answer the question, I want to be a stronger reader because. Okay, so what you do is you take the cards, right? And I'll look at the first one, it says money. And I'm going to make 3 piles in front of me. Things I want, things I don't care about, things I don't want. Money, yes, I would want that. Having a lifelong physical injury, just having this injury right here, I know I do not want a lifelong physical injury. I do not want that. Living in poverty, what is poverty? Being poor, not having enough money to live. I do not want that, goes in that pile. Now, if you come to a blank one, okay, I want you to put it aside. Because after you get through the whole pile, if there's still something that you really, really want, you can write it in on this blank card. Cool. All right?
Okay, so for example, if someone says, I want to be a professional lacrosse player, it's not there. I want to, you know, climb Mount Everest.
Yeah,
whatever. If there's something on there, an accomplishment that you see in your mind you're going to have one day,
what's your mantra?
You can have that, right?
Yeah. So you could write the specific ones there. All right, making a lasting contribution to the world. That sounds good to me. Drama, don't want that. Blank card. Being rich. You know what, I already have the money, don't necessarily care about that. Dying, I don't want that. Having a job I like, that's really important. So do you see how I'm going through each one of these? Going through each one of these, and I'm really thinking to myself, do I want it? Yes. And just go with your first reaction. Kind of, whatever your emotional charge is around that, go with that. You don't have to really think it through that much. This can be fast. Nintendo Wii, don't really care. But yeah, it's personal, okay? You guys can want one, that's fine.
I don't play mine, so.
And that actually brings up a good point. There's no right or wrong answer. This is just what we want. So it's important that we don't necessarily make fun of somebody else for wanting something. Okay, that's really important to being a team player in this exercise. Does anybody have any questions about the making of the 3 piles?
No.
Okay, after you're done with the 3 piles, just wait because we're going to do something more after that. But I want to give you guys a head start on the sorting. Are we ready?
Yes!
Okay, let's see if we can have these all sorted in 3 piles in 5 minutes. That is our goal. On your marks, get set, go.